please. 10x cash in, guys.
At least I got that one. Woo! White blade lads, 25.
Different spins for different players. The jingle with a 10x on the bounce slot. Double. And now 10x, everybody. Oh, this is looking so much more beautiful. Oh my. A double, magic. Oh, no way!
What? Hey, this looks pretty nice, guys. We have.
Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Crazy 10 3x top slot. Oh yes! Let's go! Crazy 10 3x top slot, baby. I love my job. I don't just like it. I love it. Oh yes. Here we go, guys. It is time. So, this is going to be a big decision for you guys. Because you can't mess this up. You either choose one of those flappers, you know. Hi, Strawberry. Right on time for a 3x top slot crazy time, eh? So, ready, steady, let's go. Decision time. Green, blue, yellow. Banana team, blueberry team, or grape team, guys. May the best fruit or berry win. Yes. 300x max. Let's get you the best. Ooh, oh, wow, well, 30 for green and yellow. That's kind of meh, but we got a double for blue, guys, so I mean, there's a chance of getting a 600x, you know? Let's get it! Oh? Another double? Oh, okay. Guys, blue team, are you okay? Are you okay? This could be big. 1,200x. Just saying. That's the max. Go get it now. What? I'm so sorry, green and yellow teams, but this is gonna be iconic. Whatever we get is gonna be iconic. Triple double, baby, and that's a 2,400. Come on, let's get it. Oh no, that's a 240x. I mean, that's still good, but you know. All that hard work for 240x. Well, new round is here. Anyways, let's get you some new big wins. Congratulations.
2,437 shares in here. Alexander is in first place. Match code 246 in second. And risk gambler is on third. Now betting time and jam. Today, 2, 1, and bad sequence. Good luck. Thank you, Anis. 5x on cash count. Ooh, let's go. And we cashed it, guys. Rangers. Yeah. Take a look at the multis and witness the little magic happening, yeah? We got to love your stone. And now the highest multi here will be 500. Good luck to you. I'm choosing chicken. Good luck to you guys. The decision time is open. You have to find that 500. I know you can do that. I believe in you guys. Final seconds left. Wait, which chicken I'm choosing to? Yeah, I choose. Last second, and now revealing time. I've got 35 for the chicken. Compliments in your victory. Special compliments for those who find a beautiful 500 on their hands. Here in total, we have got 3,851 winner.
The system for thousands had in Naples, Johnstown, Carl, first place 2002. Joe, me, that, congratulations. Best of luck to you in the next round. Can I be here for ages, please? All players been annoying to beat of this game the full week. Luki, really? You did some kind of audition? You have kind of your own statistics? Or you ask like 1,000 players or what? 5x on cash and enjoy. Really sorry, I'm just asking. Maybe you didn't know, so we kind of colleague. If what, you can share the feedback to our managers. Cash hunt with 5x. Hello. Wow, there's 100x. Now 5x applied. Magic! Yay! Now it's gonna be 500s over there, max multiplier. Also, there's 125x. Everywhere, almost everywhere. Good luck with your guessings. Mac, mac. Oh, you heard that sound? Turbo carousel. Just imagine if you're gonna attend really this kind of carousel in kind of Luna Park. Are you scared of these attractions? I don't like. My vestibular apparatus. Not so perfect. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, behind each icon multiplier. Sorry for my voice. You can choose any spot that looks at you or out a pick. Then system gonna choose an icon instead of you.
1,711 winners. Top dog. Gehoogfeurusr 700. Well done. 1,064 euros. All right. Here we go again. No more bets. Come on, bonus. Don't be shy, mate. You gotta get something, or... Also, check out autoplay. Bottom right, bottom left. Great feature. 4x and crazy. Time for the top slot. Top. Oh, buddy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to get crazy. Come on. Yeah, buddy. We got the crazy time bonus round with a 4x from the top slot. Oh my. Well, let's get it then. Let's apply that 4x onto the... Look at it, wait for a second. Look at these special effects. Holy. Anyways, great game in it. We got green, blue, and yellow flappers. Just pick one of them. Hope for... Right, the bigger the better. Wow. All right, let's get it, everybody. Come on. You all know my favorite color, though. I'm rooting for green, lads. I'm rooting for green. Come on, doubles. Pop. Woo! We got 80. 480. Shoo! Oi. Welcome back. 3,930 gas on. 400 ecstasy, right? Top winners, DDDD. 400x 13.4 grand for your B209. 400x 6.7 grand euros. Gosh darn, all right. So, no more bets. Here we go again. 80x is good or not? Yeah, it's quite all right.
Number 2 it is. Congratulations, 2,394 winners, B7S, Tarun, and Mamo. You're the top 3. Betting time is open. If you want to, place your bets, guys, and you have only 8 options to do so. Only 8 options. So, yeah, guys. Let's proceed meanwhile. And let's go. Hey, big heart. Do you have a big heart? I know you have extra fingers, but big heart? All right. Hey, this will be pretty nice, guys. We have a 10x on coin flip. 10x double-digit multis on a bonus game, man. Pretty sweet. And check this out. That's right, guys. It's a coin flip with a 10x on the top side. All right, folks. Inhale. Exhale. We have a 10x on this coin flip, ladies and gentlemen. Let's make it count. Welcome, everybody. All right. Set the coin. Let's see the multis. And then we're going to flip it. 25 and 3. 10x. Let's go. 30 and a 250. Ladies and gentlemen, no question what we need. Give us the blue. Come to Papa. Let's go. Ho-hoo. That's what I'm talking about, folks. Top slot coming in clutch. 250.
It's betting time, so you can place those bets again there. Let's go. Well, looks like Daniel doesn't like total ball spins. That's why we're making different ones, you know. Different spins for different players. Pachinko with a 10x on the top slot. There's a beauty. Imagine how many of you are here around, and how many there are preferences. So there's something great for everybody. For example, Pachinko with a 10x. Boom, everybody. Sheesh. Oh my, right? Yeah, we're here, ladies and gentlemen, at a great pink ball of victories. So what do we have? 5x. Huh, interesting, right? Then we're proceeding on to 7x, 10x, 15x, 20x, 25x, 35x, 100x, a double, and now 10x, everybody. Oh, this is looking so much more beautiful. 1000x. 1000x is the max multiplier. There's double as well, so it could become 2000x. And if we're really lucky, then 4000x, 8000x, and so on. Max multiplier, 1000x. This was the last spin with me, and yeah, it's bright again. Let's go. My job there is done. Oh my, oh my. My, oh my, oh my. A double, imagine. Oh, no way! Sheesh! Can you bring some W's in the chat now? 2000x is the max multiplier. It's absolutely incredible. Alrighty then. Ladies and gentlemen, max multiplier now 2000x. Alright, bring me that little puck, and then I think there will be a lot of smiling players. Excitement in the chat. What shall it be? Another double, maybe? 200x. Still a beautiful multiplier. Ladies and gentlemen, we're ending the session with a 200x. Boom! 6,761 winners, and best of luck with
a great win, buddy. Whoa, ladies and gentlemen, 200x multiplier. Woo! Why is that, brother? Where is the excitement? Hey, guys. No. 1022 winners. All right, let's spin again. Dear players, the betting time. Tobin, welcome to place your bets. Let's go. Ready for the spin? Ready for the spin. Christmas. Yeah. Actually, soon there will be Christmas. What are you planning to do in the Christmas? Do you have any plans for the Christmas? And how you celebrate the Christmas in your country? Coin flip, 25 multiplier. Oh, we need that coin flip. Hey, stop. Yes, guys, no way. Are you seeing this right now? Look at the screen, guys. Look at the screen. We have a coin flip with 25 multiplier from top slot. Good luck. Let's go. Woo! The main multipliers, 5 and 15. Magic time! Woo! 375, 125. Both multipliers are great, guys. But I really want to see the red. Come on, please. Okay, anyways, great, guys. 125 multiplier. Congratulations. Still, it's a good win. Woo! We get 25 multiplier for the top slot. Woo!
Everybody, placing your bets. Botswana, Bahamas. Hey, I got the B letter, all right? I knew that one at least.
At least I got that one. Woo! Coin flip, lads. 25X. All right, buckle up, people. Buckle up. Can we get that 25X coin flip? Yes or no? There's a coin flip there. Come on, wheel. Chill, chill, chill. Ooh, ladies and gentlemen, we got something cool coming up here. 25X coin flip. Oh. All right, let's see what that coin flip do. What that coin flip do. Hello, camera? Come on, move, camera. Let's go. Why is this camera so slow? Slow. That's slow, guys. 4 8. I'm not gonna do the math. 200 versus 100X. 100 the worst. Best one is 200. So triple X coming in, anyways. 1, 2, 3. Woo! And it's the 200 in your pocket. Because actually, I don't have a pocket. It's a fake one. It used to be a pocket. Anyway, but 200, guys. Enjoy. 4,238 winners. 200X, sir. We got Todd with 93K. Vakey and Geoffels, top 3 guys. Huge. All right, here we go. Not bad.
1,327 winners. Guys, complimentary. Nice. Let's go, guys. So there we go. Shot needs Dandy drama show now. A drama? Why I need to make a drama? Oh no. This is so bad. Oh no. I'm gonna make some drama now. Oh no. No, oh no. Please. 10X cash in, guys. There we go. I made some drama. Come on, Cash on, come here. Get over here. Get yourself here. Woo! Ow! Perfect British accent there. Thank you, Screep. Much appreciated, sir. 10X cash ins. Oh, finally. Ugh. Everything gonna be moved by 10X. Yo, Maverick, baby, we got this. Let's go. Everything's moved by 10X. We got 100X with the 5 as base. And boom, 10X on it. Boom, 1000X, 750s, 100, 250s. Let's mix them up, guys. All you gotta do, blind shot out of big choose and targets, baby. Woo! I still got it in my bones, baby. Yeah. Anderson, can you give me the liver spank? There we go. I gave a liver a little spanky there. Okay, guys, do your thing, please. Do your thing, do your thing. Guys, focus. Focus. You gotta take that thing home, eh? All right, 1000X over there. That's like 2-3 over there. Not bad. All right, 31 people with 1000X over there, 750, 125. Yo, 500 for Let's Go to Spin, 25K, people, let's go. Hacks, let's be selling good. Dominic on the top 5. Good job. Hampay. Woo!
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.